Hello friends, I think you all clear in the types of chromosomes. Now we will see yesterday's continuation, special types of chromosomes. If you didn't subscribe our channel, please click the subscribe button. What are special types of chromosomes? Chromosomes which significantly differ in structure and function from normal chromosomes are known as special chromosomes. These include Lamb-Rush chromosome, Polyton chromosome, B chromosome, isochromosome and circular chromosome. About these special types of chromosomes only we are going to see in this video. Okay, I'll say the important points in a crisp manner. Just grasp it and note it down. And Telegram channel link is in description box. Please join in Telegram channel for notes and other queries. First, isochromosome. A chromosome with two identical arms and identical genes is called isochromosome, a very important definition, and it's a frequently asked objective question. The arms are mirror images of each other in isochromosome. Actually, this chromosome arises due to misdivision of centromere. The centromere divides in the wrong plane, that is vertical division takes place and yielding into two daughter chromosomes, each of which carries the information of one arm only, but they are present twice. Okay. At meiosis, these isochromosome pair in three different ways, that is internal pairing, fraternal pairing and normal pairing. If we go deep means it will go very deep and you will get confused. Please note the important points alone. Isochromosome is nothing but it contains two arms which are identical to each other. You can see in this picture how the transverse centromeric division in isochromosome. Next, how isochromosomes are formed. First, normal chromosome divides along its length to produce two identical daughter chromatids. But due to abnormal chromosomal division, how it takes place, you can see in this second picture. Chromosome divides in an axis perpendicular to normal axis. Two isochromosomes are formed. Next, B chromosome. Important point to note is B chromosomes are first reported in maize crop and it is a particular kind of supernumerary chromosomes. The other names are supernumerary chromosomes, accessory chromosomes or extra chromosomes. Note the other names, and they are usually smaller than A chromosomes. And the most significant effect of B chromosome is on seed and pollen fertility. It is very important point. Simply B chromosomes are extra chromosomes, okay, and over and above the standard diploid or polyploidy chromosome complements. Now B chromosomes have been reported in 42 families of angiosperms including 163 genera and 475 species. You can see B chromosomes in this picture. Actually, they are genetically inert. Next, ring chromosomes. The chromosomes of higher organisms usually have two ends and they do not form continuous ring. But in organisms like prokaryotes, especially in E. coli, the chromosomes are ring shaped. Okay, such chromosomes are referred to as genopause. Such chromosomes exhibit ring appearance at metaphase and lead to a bridge formation at anaphase. Okay, when they exhibit ring shape means during metaphase. It is an important point. Actually, ring chromosomes are meiotically unstable and mitotically stable. Okay, ring chromosomes were mostly studied in maize, that is thoroughly studied in maize by M.C. Clinton. You can see the ring chromosome. Actually, telomere is present means the ring will not be formed. Okay, telomeres prevent the union of chromosome arms into ring formation. Okay, chromosomes are formed by telomeric deletions. Okay, that's why they form ring. You can see clearly in this picture. Next Lamb-Rush chromosomes. This is actually discovered by Fleming in 1882. It is described by Ruskert in 1892. They are found in oocyte nuclei of both vertebrates and invertebrates, especially in Drosophila. They are found during diplotin stage of meiosis. That is very important. This Lamb-Rush chromosome contains loops. That they will ask in exam. Which chromosome contains loops means Lamb-Rush chromosomes, that is LL, clue you keep it. Now these chromosomes have been reported in human and rodent oocytes, but mostly they are observed and extensively studied in amphibian oocytes. Oocytes are nothing but a cell in ovary undergo meiosis to form ovum. Okay, note it. Actually, these Lamb-Rush chromosomes are extraordinary length. They have a remarkable length and they are sometimes larger than polyten chromosomes. Okay. Next, we will study about polyten chromosomes. That time you will know about it. Chromosome contains numerous loops. This loops gives a Lamb-Rush appearance. Okay. And each Lamb-Rush chromosome contains central axial region where two chromatids are highly condensed. Okay. The loops are light color, the transcriptionally active region of a single chromatids. The numerous paired loops emerging from the chromomeres of a homologous chromosomes. Okay. And the loops are made up of fully extended single DNA double helix. Okay. The loops represent the site of gene action, that is transcription takes place. Transcription is nothing but RNA synthesis from DNA. We will study transcription and translation while studying molecular genetics. Actually, the function of Lamb-Rush chromosomes is to produce large numbers and quantities of proteins and RNAs stored in eggs. Okay. Obviously, the mRNA or pre-mRNAs are already present in the eggs. They are most likely produced on the loops of the Lamb-Rush chromosomes. The main asked question in this is which chromosome contain loops, they will ask. Nothing but Lamb-Rush chromosome. They are found in diplotin stage of meiosis of primary oocyte nuclei in amphibians. It is very important point. And they are usually 1 mm in length and they are extraordinary length. Sometimes they are larger than polyten chromosomes. You can see the Lamb-Rush chromosome in this picture. Next, salivary gland chromosomes. It is otherwise known as polyten chromosome, giant chromosome. Okay. Why it is known as giant chromosome? Means polyten chromosomes have a giant size. The size may be observed up to 200 times or more than normal chromosome. Okay, may reach the size of 20 times or more than normal chromosome I have given. It is observed by Balbiani, so it is known as Balbiani ring chromosome sometimes, and occur in tissues of salivary glands, gut epithelium and Malpighian tubules of insects of order Diptera, and they are found in salivary gland of Drosophila. Hence, it is known as salivary gland chromosomes. Actually, giant chromosomes represented by bundle of fibers, which arise by repeated cycle of endoreduplication of single chromatids. Endoreduplication is nothing but chromatids replicates without cell division, as a result of which number of chromonemata keep on increasing. The chromonemata keep on increasing. That's why the condition called polyteny occurs. That's why these chromosomes are called polyten chromosomes. If you don't know what is chromomere, what is chromonemata, see the previous video in the structure of chromosome, you will understand. Main feature of this chromosome is they contain buff. Puff is present in which chromosome, they ask, means it is nothing but polyten chromosome or giant chromosome. It is very important, frequently asked question. The swollen regions are known as chromosome puffs or Balbiani rings. Okay. The number of chromonemata per chromosome may be up to 2000. In some cases, it may be up to 16,000 also. The bands of giant chromosomes are produced as a result of stacking over one another of a chromomeres. Okay. Main function of the chromosomal puffs or Balbiani rings is they are the active site of RNA synthesis. The rate of RNA synthesis in the puff is sometimes several fold higher than other regions of the giant chromosomes. Okay. Some hormones like ecdysone includes puff in specific bands during specific periods of development. What are the questions they ask means Balbiani ring or chromosomal buff present in which chromosome, they will ask. It is what, polyten chromosome or giant chromosome or Balbiani ring chromosome. Okay, whatever. The important objective questions asked in this chromosomes is what are the other name of giant chromosome? Polyten chromosome, salivary gland chromosome, Jain chromosome, Balbiani chromosome. It is then who discovered this chromosome? Balbiani. Then what is a Balbiani ring and what is its function? It is a site of RNA synthesis. You can see in this picture the Balbiani rings and the Poulton chromosomes. You can see Poulton chromosomes of Drosophila, and chromosomal puffs are present in this chromosome only. It is also important question asked frequently. Note it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel. Stay connected. Study well.